Hello everyone, today is 27th of March 2023 and today the market is opening somewhere around this level if you see in Bank Nifty. So just for the sentiments, we see that the past few days here the market consolidated on the expiry market, hit the stop loss of the call buyers, whoever would have call sellers, whoever would have made positions here, and thereafter yesterday also the market consolidated going went upside and in the second half went downside. So the market had repeated the same structure twice. Okay, but the difference is here that the here whenever the market has crossed 40,000 level, there will be more easy supply of buyers here, right? Compared to here, you see the market didn't able to go upside, right? And the market falls. So from here onwards, when the market is opening around here, that too, if we see that if we draw Fibonacci like this, the market is opening somewhere around at 50% levels, right? So whoever the seller would have been around these levels, right? And the market has already reduced their profits. So we'll have to see here what really happens. If the market, starts moving upside, then based on the candlesticks, we will be, since the sellers would be exiting their positions, and also market would be trading above 39,400 level, 39,500 psychological level, right? So based on the candlesticks, we will be more inclined toward a selling position. If the market starts falling from here, then since the market would be trading below 39,500 levels, there will be obviously sellers coming here, right? And already the market sentiment is negative, we see, right? So in that case, we will see if the market continuously falling down, then if you see a proper place where our risk management fits perfectly, then we will directly enter into a selling position. Otherwise, we will wait for a buying opportunity, because at these levels, I think the only sellers would be coming. Okay. So, and otherwise, if the market spends time here, then we will have to see what the market really intends to. In short, so below there are no stop losses as such upside downside. Whoever would have bought or sold here, the buyer's stop losses are still available. The seller's stop loss is usually gone. Seller's stop loss is available this upside, but the Bank Nifty is opening about around 50% retracement level. So I think at most around 618 level they will be mostly exiting their positions. But the market sentiment is negative, so they can still retain their position based on the candlestick. So what I mean is, suppose the market is opening up here, going starts to show some red candles, which is more likely to happen because these buyers might be booking their profits, right? So these sellers won't be easily exiting their positions, right? So thereafter the market, because it will be trading before below 39,500 level, so sellers will again be coming, and we can make a call option there, right? Yeah. So and same goes for buyers also. Suppose the market shows up very green candle, so these buyers can hold maybe, and if this happens, then once the market comes up around here, and based on what is happening in Nifty also, and based on the candlestick also, we will see, we will be uh, looking for a put opportunity. Okay. We will be looking for a put opportunity only when we see that the buyer market is inviting buyers and the buyer stop losses are still available at the downside level. Okay. Same goes for Nifty also. Nifty is also opening somewhere around this 50% level. Now, as per sentiments, people, if you see that people are mostly inclined towards a selling position, because of this kind of head and shoulder architecture and other things. So let's see what the market does. Currently, it looks like the market is doing some sort of retracement here, or we can say that this is a neckline and the market is looking for a retest. Okay, let's see what the market does. We'll see when I will make positions. Okay. So we see right here the market is taken resistance from this 39,500 level, and also there is 17,000 psychological level in Nifty also. Okay, so whoever would have bought here, they mostly will be booking their profits. That's why maybe this red candle is appearing here. Okay, let's wait. It may happen that the market can actually become volatile in this range, because the market sentiment is negative anyway. The market, and also the market is trading below 39,500 level, so the sellers will be quickly getting activated, right? And the buyers won't be easily coming up here. So because of that reason, the market can become a volatile in this range. Okay? So we'll have to carefully make position here. So traders, we have just made a position of call option. Well, seems like we have made a wrong call option, because that time the candlestick was turning green. Let us wait. I'll discuss the trade logic. Nifty is falling continuously. Okay, we have a problem now, because this doji shows a sign of continuity, so the Nifty may continuously go down, right? And it seems like because of Nifty, Banknifty also continuously going down, and Banknifty is also shown a kind of doji. So what was my trade logic is that if you see that the market is already, the sentiment is negative and the market is trading below 39,500 level, and these candles are good for sellers only. Upside there is no sellers. Below, with these green red candles, the buyers have already exited their position. Below there are no stop losses. If you look into the Nifty is continuously going down, right? So this will activate sellers only. But one problem, as I explained you, is that the this doji which appeared in between the time when I was making positions here, you see this week, right? It has already turned green both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. But also there is one more problem, that this is a closing price also, right? So the market could be activating buyers here, and thereafter the market can continue to go down, right? So this is a slightly risky position, I would say. Currently we are having a 400 200 something loss here. Let's see. So traders, here we are seeing some good bullish candles, and if the market really intends to go upside, then the market should cross this level, at least in Nifty. For Bank Nifty, we still have to see. Based on Nifty, if the Bank Nifty moves, then that will be very good for us. Let us see. Still, the market can go downside. Yeah, let's see. Nifty should go as quickly as possible. Only then Bank Nifty should be able to go. Okay. Okay. See. Bank Nifty. Okay. Good. Good. Bank Nifty directly goes above, then we won't be able to book our target, because a direct hit of the level will invite more buyers, right? So it's good that Bank Nifty is making red candles. But let's see. Nifty is recovering well. Okay, we have almost reached our, 1:1 target. But we have to wait a little more here. At least if Bank Nifty starts going above 39,500 level, it will activate more buyers. But this taking support from closing price is also, could activate buyers, and the market can again, if the market wants to be negative, it can again come down. Let's see. But for that, at least the Nifty should give a breakdown at least for this level. I mean, breakout of this level, resistance level. For now, it seems like taking a resistance. So let's see. Currently, we have a profit of around 700 to 800. Let's wait, traders. Already, we have made a wrong entry here. Had it been like we would have made somewhere in this green candle or in this red candle, then I think we should have already reached our target by now in this green candle, right? If the market starts going downside from now, then we don't have any other option other than to book losses. But if the market gives some chance, then we'll see. We'll book whatever profit and we will enter into a second trade. Okay. Nifty should come out of 17,000 level at least. Because yesterday the market actually fell because of that Hindenburg news and that option trading that I don't remember what the taxes have actually increased in the option trading rate. So there isn't much of negativity also. Nifty should break this level at least. Only then the buyer will be more tempted. Let's see. It's coming up again. Banknifty. Since our entry is wrong, people, we will be looking to exit as well. Now whoever would have sold here, then first of all in this big red candle, not much of sellers would have come, and whoever would have come in this green candle, they are, and the market has already taken care of them, right? But here whoever was sold here in this red candle, the market had hit their stop loss. So here it seems like the market is again invited sellers here, and again the market is moving to hit their stop loss. Same goes for Nifty has crossed 17,000 level. Good, we have already reached our target. Okay, Banknifty just gave a breakout of 39,500 level. Okay, traders, so let us book the profit here. Okay, traders, we have booked a profit of around 1598 or 1600 almost. Just refresh this. If we look into our orders, we made a 923 position and exited in 931. Now here I think we could have waited even more, because had it been like the market has directly approached this level, then we should have exited. But the market has actually invited some more sellers, and it has just now started to trade about 39,500 level. So we should have ideally waited here. But since our positions was a little wrong, so I thought I had already told you that it is good to exit here. Okay traders, that was all the trade logic today. Once again I will explain the logic here. So the market, if we told today, when the market was opening somewhere around here, first of all this was a 50% level that we had already drawn here. Okay, why we draw this level? Because the market sentiment is already negative. Some sellers would have been upside in these swings. Okay, which swings I am talking about? If it was this swing, so we draw Fibonacci from here to somewhere around this level, this bottom level. Okay, so whoever would have sold at this upper levels, right, there's since the market is opening somewhere around here, it is already around 50% level. So these sellers may exit and may not. I had already told you earlier also that if the market starts showing this red candle, then these buyer would be quickly booking their positions, and at the same time these sellers would be waiting because the market is showing some red candle, so they still could be waiting to thinking that the market can still go down. Okay, that is one thing. And same we told for negative also, but we will be discussing now what is actually happened. So here when the market is taking resistance from this 39,500 level and also showing these red candles, only sellers would be coming. Okay, and at the same time, if we look into the Nifty also, Nifty Nifty is also the same market. This is around 50% level for this swing. So Nifty is also showed some red candle, and also it is trading below 17,000 level, and also it has shown continuous red candles, right? So this will be tempting sellers only. There will be no buyers coming here because the market sentiment is already negative. The buyers would be thinking that the market can still go down. So again, there is a biased participation. The sellers are more and the buyers are less. Okay, and when we see that the Nifty is continuously going down, and around the this closing price, the market started showing some green candles. So first green candles we left, but in this second green candle, this red candle actually started making some green momentum. You can see from the wick also. Then we made entry into here. Okay, because bottom side also there is no stop losses as such downside. Okay, there are no as such buyers whose stop loss that the market can easily hit. Okay, and these sellers, as I told you, have not really exited because of this momentum, and also the market haven't really crossed the 50% or 618 level. Okay, so that's why we made an entry here, and then we see that the market has made a momentum. Okay, now it may happen here that the market, here the sellers would be exiting their position, but still they could retain their position, but because the market had not really showed good tempting green candle, maybe the market is inviting some more sellers and thereafter it will go up again. Anyway, our trade is done. So yeah, that was all the trade today. Thank you.